You already received your order, Zido? Huh? What's inside? You want to open? You want to open? Oh, let's open it. Go get the scissors. Are you excited to know what's inside the parcel? Huh? Mama will have to open. Okay. Look what I can do. Ta-da! Ta-da! It's a tent. We will assemble your tent, okay? But I don't know how to assemble it. Let's wait for Baba, okay? Plastic not included. Yeah, we have to build your tent, okay? You have to assemble your tent, okay? So you will have a house. But let's wait for Baba, okay? Because Mama doesn't know how to assemble this one. Okay? Wait! wait up. It's hard. Gosh. Wait up, Zito. Wait up, Zito. Wait up, it's hard. Where is Zido? Nice tent. Let me see who's inside. Hello? Knock knock. Who's there? Zido, you have your nice house now? You have no new house? Huh? Zido? Why hiding? No? Get out, Mama. Zido needs some privacy. He doesn't want Mama to get inside the house. Knock knock. Can I get in? Zido? Huh? Mama will get inside, okay? Mama will get inside. Mama will get inside. Chink. Chink. Nice. Uy. You want Mama to get out? Oh, bad mo ng baby. Ay, bye-bye na lang. Zaid? Zido? Where's Zido? Ay! Where is Zido? Ay! Open the window, baby. You want me to get out? Hey, nice house, baby. Huh? You have visitor? See the bear? How about JJ? Get JJ. Invite JJ also to your new house. Where are you going? Put there. And your poo also. Sige, get inside and close the door. Sige na. Get inside and close the door. Zaid will sleep na. Good night, baby Zaid. Good night. You allow Mama to get inside your house? Let's check what's inside the house. Oh, so many toys. Wow. Wait. Wow, nice house. What do you want? You want Mama to get inside? Oh, Mama will get inside na. Mama will get inside. How about you? You want to stay there? You want to stay there? Come beside Mama. Dali. Let's sleep here. Dali, come here.